guys, it's Dean here from Weekend Warrior. Today, look, we're going to get into a review of a tachometer or a tachometer, hour meter on a cultivator that I've got. However, you can buy them for pretty well anything that you want to track the hours of usage. Now, this one in particular, I think I bought off eBay for 10 Australian dollars, so not overly expensive, very simple to install. So let's go get into it. So here we are with the El Cheapo Chinese cultivator. However, what we've got down here is the little sucker down here. So what this bad boy does, it comes with some screws for mounting, but it also comes with some double-sided tape. So this one, as I said, about 10 bucks, nothing special. So what I did is I run the cable innocuously behind all the bits and pieces so it doesn't get caught up, and then you basically just wind it around the spark plug lead. So it comes with two little zip ties, but at the end of the day, you know, zip ties are rather inexpensive. Zip it up, wind it around, and you basically just push it into the back. There's a slot, so there's actually no connections at all. You don't have to have any tools to put this bad boy together. You could probably just cut the cord with a pair of scissors if you really wanted to. It's very, very easy. Probably took me around, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. And what you can see on the screen is it displays the hours. So this one hasn't been used at yet, it's still at 0. However, the machine I used for a couple of hours before I popped this on. But I'll do a review later of this little cultivator by Shogun. However, it's proving to be not a bad little machine. Alright guys, so that's pretty well it for today. So I like to keep the videos nice and short and sweet, just like a certain part of my anatomy. Well, that's what my wife says anyways. So, have a good one, hey? Thanks for watching Weekend Warrior.